If your grill hose is leaking propane like mine, stick around and I'll show you how to replace your propane hose on a grill. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Close your propane tank and remove the plastic fitting that's attached to the hose from the propane tank. Step 2. Take a crescent wrench and remove the nut on the other end of the hose. It might be a little bit tight, so you may need to add some oomph to it. Step 3. Buy a new replacement hose. I bought mine at Home Depot for $20, but it appears that Amazon sells them for $14, so you can save some money by using the link in the description below. Step 4. Screw the nut back on that's on the new hose and tighten it with a wrench. Then connect the opposite side to the propane tank. Finally, open the propane tank and fire up the grill to see if it works. Check for any leaks and you're all set. If this was helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.